Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet this granny square, which is a different style from the others I crocheted. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to come right here. Yes, then go to chain 1, 2, 3, yarn over right here in this center of the circle, pull through half double crochet. One, so those are 2, so we have 1, 2, 3. We're going to count this chain here. So chain 2 again, yarn over, half double crochet to make 3 this time, chain 2, half double crochet, 3 of them, and chain 2, make half double crochet, 3 of them, then chain 2. Then we're going to come right here on top this stitch here and going to make a slip knot that way. So as you can see, we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, and going to come here. This is the space we made of chain 2, so going to come right here, this space, slip knot, again right there, which makes slip knot, in there, this loop, slip knot, and the space of chain 2 I'm going to make a slip knot, then 1, 2, 3, that way, as you can see. Then yarn over, half double crochet, so 1, 2, 1, 2, chain of 3 for a gap, then half double crochet twice, yarn over, and we're going to come right here in this space here, half double crochet, double crochet, and half double crochet. Okay. in this space here I'm going to make 2 half double crochet, then chain 2 again to make 2 half double crochet, then come in this space here, so 1, 2, and 3 again, 2 half double crochet, chain 2 for the gap or for the space, 2 half double crochet, in this space here, half double crochet, two half double crochet in this space, chain 2 again, 2 half double crochet, that way, then yarn over to come right here inside space here, half double crochet, crochet, and then it will come right on top of this space, yeah, then I'm going to carry on, going to come right inside here, make a slip knot that way, and in the space 1, 2, 3. So you can see this is how it's going to look like. So yarn over again, sorry, to make a crochet, 1, 2, 2 half double crochet, in here in the space, each time you make half double crochet, you're going to get an increase. I especially like to use half double crochet because it looks so cute and neat. One, two, then 1 and 2, then chain 2, sorry, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Then we're going to come in this stitch here, right on top of this, that way, to make so. To cut this and it. So as you can see, it's a smaller one, but it's a cute one I've made. This is how it's going to look like. I have a yarn that I use. It's a baby yarn, and it's very stretchy and smooth, so I really love this yarn. It's called yarn is called Rizzo. So this yarn is very good to make your granny squares or your blankets or any crochet project that you like. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So you can use this to make many of your granny squares in different style, and you can make this granny square for cushions, for your blankets, or for many projects, or the project in particular you are interested in. So I hope you like my video. I've made a blue one as here as well. As you can see, I have a blue one, and this is the first one I made. So I'm making this for my cushions. So I hope you like my video, and please like, subscribe. Till next time, and see you. Bye bye.